Hi friends, today for sale is this 2000 International Model 4800. That is a four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive version of the International 4000 series trucks. It's got an automatic transmission and a DT466E International diesel engine. That runs great, it drives great, everything operates as it should. I bought this truck in the state of Louisiana, and it had just undergone an annual inspection in Louisiana and passed. I've been a truck owner, truck mechanic for 25 years, and I have made sure that it is in good mechanical condition. The brakes are all in good shape, the tires are all in good shape. There's no excessive air leaks. It'll hold air for days. The crane is rated at 10,000 pounds, and it can still pick up something like 3,000 pounds when it's fully extended, which is crazy. Most cranes cannot pick up that much, that far out. Like I said, it's a great, fully operational service, welding, mechanic truck, crane truck. It's ready to go. I hate to sell it. It is one of the most valuable, useful tools I have ever had. But it's extremely useful for all kinds of stuff. Four-wheel drive works great. I've even used this thing as a log skidder. I used it to pull a tree down and then used it to pull the tree across someone's property, and it worked quite well. If you're in need of a service mechanic truck, crane truck, hit me up.